nga pala, dapat talaga nandito ako ngayong gabing to. Maraming salamat. I'd like to share this award kay Chris Lawrence na kaduwag ko sa song na to. Maraming salamat kay Sir Junji Marcelo for writing this beautiful song. Thank you, Jonathan Manalo. Happy birthday. Thank you for producing this track. And maraming salamat din sa aking Star Music Records. And syempre, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa Paris sa Awit Awards. Naalala ko, kayo din ang nagbigay sa akin dati ng 7 awards in a night. And thank you for recognizing my work. And thank you for continuously supporting OPM. Mabuhay po. Thank you very much. Thank you, Lord.